Assalamualaikum. I am Amir Hafizi bin Musa, and along with my group members, we are going to be presenting the MGT 162 group assignment. And the name of our company is KaZe Incorporation. Starting with the introduction first.
Okay, KaZe Corporation is a Malaysia multinational tech manufacturing company that was first founded in Malaysia. The headquarters is located in Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia. The company produces IT design, develop and provide computer hardware, related products and services including laptop, desktop, motherboard, graphic card, all-in-one PC, servers, industrial computer, PC peripheral, car infotainment product, and etc. Okay, then KaZe Incorporation company background. This business started in the year 2022 after seeing a bright opportunity in the technology sector and covers and meets all the needs of consumers in the use of technology in daily life. The primary idea for starting this business company came from Amir Hafizi bin Musa as the founder of this business. The original of the company's name, KaZe, came from a phrase of a word where the founder of the company got its inspiration from. Originally, it starts from the word alone, which is KaZe, a Japanese word. The word refers to the meaning of wind, which were described as being free and wanders around by the founder of KaZe. KaZe Incorporation also had a slogan which they were very proud of. The company's current slogan is Wanders Through the Wind, which describes and expresses the company emotion, dreams, hopes, wishes, and the future they hoping to strive on. Okay, level of management. First is first line management. Positions are held by the CEO of managing directors and the board of directors. They are in charge of outlining the goal of overarching principles of the company enterprise. Middle line management function to supervise first line manager of or staff department. Branch and department supervisor make up this level of management. Lastly is lower level management, mostly concerned with the execution and coordination of daily workflow that guarantees project completion and delivery of deliverable. The type of managers. Top level manager, Amir Hafizi bin Musa is in charge of leading the KaZe Incorporation company. Technical skills are the type of management talent that are required at the top level of management. Immediate level manager, Muhammad Muaz bin Mahadi and Amirul Faris bin Zari are in need of having conceptual talent. They require these conceptual abilities because they relate to the knowledge and capacity for abstract thoughts and idea formulating that managers possess. Lastly is low-level manager, Muhammad Daniel Hakim bin Muhammad Ismail and Muhammad Azrul Aiman bin Abdul Rasid. Both of them need human and interpersonal skills. This is because the human or the interpersonal skill are the skills that present the manager's ability to interact, work, or relate effectively with people.
Planning. KaZe Vision Statement. Vision statement of KaZe Incorporation is in pursuit of advancing global technology and being the top choice for customers from all around the world. KaZe Incorporation vision is also divided into the two other visions that are associated with the main vision. The first one is reaching the top. The second one is the providing customer desire. KaZe Mission Statement. The mission statement of KaZe Incorporation is in striving to be a company that provides a variety of technology for all walks of life at an affordable price, along creating technology in line with the paces of time. The following are linked with KaZe vision statement. The first one is improving the life. The second one, exciting imagination. Type of plan practiced by KaZe Incorporation. We inside the KaZe Incorporation have decided to use both standing plan and single-use plan along with strategy plan. The first one, standing plan. KaZe use standing plan to include policy for hiring, employee interaction during working hour, procedures for reporting internal issue in the workplace, and standing plan also include regulation in terms of what is permitted and what is prohibited in the office. The company also use them to outline procedure for issuing refunds. The second one is single-use plan. KaZe use single-use plan for making budget for every project and project reports and setting up a company intranet. Single-use plan consists of budget, program and description of employee who will be contribute to the single-use plan in question. They are designed for one-time usage and cannot be repeated. The last one is strategy plan. Building KaZe Incorporation into being a recognized in the market, expand the range of the marketing sales, and provide high-quality product and service. KaZe Incorporation organizational structure. Our company use tall organization chart in the organization structure. Additionally, KaZe Incorporation use functional departmentalization. In the meantime, the company also use the division of product types where it allows for activity to be carried out to manage the development, manufacture, distribution, and sale of consumer goods. As you can see, the top one is CEO, which is managed by Amir Hafizi bin Musa. On the middle level management, we have finance, which is managed by Amirul Faris bin Zahari. Also, we also have research development, which is managed by Muhammad Muaz bin Mahdi. On low level management, we have human resource and general affairs, which is managed by Muhammad Daniel Hakim bin Muhammad Ismail. And the last one, new business strategy, is managed by Muhammad Azrul Aiman bin Abdul Rasid.
Type of departmentalization. In 2022, KaZe Inc. has a functional groups and product type division. The following are the main characteristics of the KaZe structure. Functional groups, division for various product types. Functional groups are centered on the corporate function. It is like a CEO, finance, research and development, human resource and general affairs, new business, that is strategy. Division for various product types. There are four primary output categories in KaZe Inc. Hardware design, service, developing product, and provider.
Next is focus on decision making. Decision making has divided into two types, which is program decision and non-program decision. In program decision, managers make a real decision only once when the program is created. Next, this decision also done by establishing specific guidelines and regulations that concentrate on how actions are carried out. And finally, the ordering products, which refer to the total number of product units requested from the manufacturer or supplier on an inventory replenishment purchase order. And for non-program decision, mainly in order to improve acceptance and contentment, we basically need to make reasonable decision while dealing with customer, which KaZe adopts a reasonable strategy.
Motivation. Theory of motivation. KaZe Inc. involved with Maslow hierarchy of need theory to motivate our staff. There are 5 basic needs to motivate them, such as psychological needs, security and safety needs, belonging or social needs, self-esteem needs, and self-actualization. Psychological needs are the most basic needs needed for our basic survival. Security and safety needs are the second level of needs. Belonging to or social needs is a need for companionship or friendship. a need to give love and sense of belonging. Self-esteem requirements are also referred to as a growth requirement. Self-actualization needs are the highest level in the Maslow hierarchy.
And now we will be talking about leading. Leading approach used by KaZe Incorporation leader. There are three approaches to leadership, and those are the trait theory, behavior theory, and contingency theory. For KaZe Incorporation, we use the behavior theory approach of leadership. There are two basic forms of leadership, which are production-centered behavior and employee-centered behavior. Production-centered behavior is a leader behavior that focuses primarily on how well subordinates perform their duties. For instance, KaZe have set their rigid work standards for their employees. Employees are also entrusted to control the product production activities led by the manager. Employee-centered behavior is a leader behavior that is fully focused on subordinates as citizens. In KaZe Incorporation, they encourage the employees to participate in goal setting and other work decisions. Helps in ensuring high performance by giving employees the same trust and respect that managers do, as well as managers accomplish their objective through the use of power, which is the capacity to exercise influence. In KaZe, we most likely utilizing expert power makes advantages of reward power, as well as control over resources and rewards is the foundation of the power of rewards.
And now we're moving on to controlling. In our organization, we choose three types of controlling, which is feed-forward control, concurrent control, and feedback control. For feed-forward control, we have chosen this because it will help the company to counter all sorts of adverse situations inside an organization. Next, provide the quality of inputs to prevent problems in product manufacturing. And third, usage of closed-circuit television CCTV to assist in monitoring the activities of the personnel. And finally, KaZe will choose the most qualified and morally upright individuals above the average one. And for concurrent control, which involve keeping an eye on ongoing activities to make sure the transformation process is effective and achieving the results. And next, creating regulatory criteria. Ongoing employee monitoring is fairly essential, and KaZe operates in a number of different technology-related industries. And the last one, KaZe has effectively responded to governmental developments and has updated its infrastructure as a result. And the last one is feedback control. We basically using this because it will identify undesired output and provide corrective action. This possibility to track the performance and statistics of a genuine product or services. And then check the products of materials such as quality of the product.
Okay. Lastly, total quality management tools used by KaZe Incorporation. First is strategic benchmarking. KaZe Incorporation compares a company's strategy with other successful strategies from other organizations in order to increase our marketability. We may come up with a variety of solutions to raise our product qualities. Second is competitive benchmarking. KaZe Incorporation compare and doing some research about the business performance of competitors. Understand what other rivals are doing in this market so we can improve our own company performance in the future. Lastly is process benchmarking. KaZe Incorporation studies the aspect of distributing and employee training, comparing KaZe Incorporation against Voltec Incorporation. We can also improve any number of KaZe Incorporation production phases.
That's all from us, KaZe Incorporation Company. Thank you.